What are the financial costs of tenant lease violations? Imagine losing money every time a tenant breaks a rule. Lease violations can hit your wallet in many ways, and understanding these costs helps you stay prepared. When tenants don't pay rent on time or at all, your cash flow drops immediately. This can make it hard to pay your mortgage, cover maintenance, or pay property taxes. The longer rent remains unpaid, the more money you lose. Property damage caused by tenants is another big expense. If tenants neglect the property or cause intentional damage, you need repairs. For example, fixing broken fixtures, holes in walls, or damaged flooring can cost hundreds or thousands of dollars. If the security deposit covers part of the damage, that helps. But if the damage exceeds the deposit, you pay the rest out of pocket. Legal costs also add up quickly. Filing for eviction involves court fees, attorney charges, and administrative costs. If tenants fight the eviction, the process can take weeks or months, increasing expenses. Even if you win, you might not recover all legal costs. These expenses cut into your profits and can delay renting the unit again. During the eviction process, your property stays vacant. You don't collect rent, but you still pay taxes, insurance, utilities, and maintenance. This period can last several weeks or months depending on local laws. The longer the vacancy, the more income you lose, reducing your overall return on investment. Handling lease violations also takes your time. You need to document issues, send notices, communicate with tenants, and sometimes work with lawyers. If you hire a property manager, their fees add to your costs. Severe violations or uncooperative tenants make this process even more expensive. Some jurisdictions impose fines on landlords for certain violations or improper handling. For example, late fees are often capped by law. In Cook County, Illinois, late fees are limited to $10 for rent up to $1,000, or 5% of rent above that. This limits how much you can recover through late fees. When you deduct repair costs from security deposits, you must follow strict rules. Failing to do so can lead to tenant lawsuits. In Illinois, if you violate deposit laws, tenants can claim damages equal to twice the deposit plus legal fees. This can cost you more than the original damage. Lease violations and evictions can also harm your reputation. Negative reviews or complaints make it harder to attract good tenants later. You might need to lower rent or accept less qualified tenants, which can lead to more violations and costs down the line. While resolving disputes, your utility bills, property taxes, and maintenance costs keep piling up. Without rental income, these expenses become a financial drain. Managing lease violations carefully and quickly can help you avoid these costly pitfalls. Knowing your local laws about notices, late fees, and eviction procedures is essential. Following legal procedures protects you from penalties and additional costs. For serious issues like illegal activities or major damage, consulting a real estate attorney early can save you money and prevent costly mistakes. Staying proactive and informed keeps your property profitable and your costs manageable.